welcome back to another video. So in this video, obviously you read by the title, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing for my MCM bag that I got. And if you are new, my name is Shollette, and you should subscribe if you like this video. And without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get started. I feel like I look so manly right now, like with this top. Ugh. All right, so this, okay, so actually I already opened up the box because my mom and my sister, they were so pressed. They were like, ooh, ooh, ooh. So I went ahead and opened it, but I left it in the bag and I didn't touch anything. I didn't look at anything like that. So yeah, it came in this bag, and I guess it's, I want to say it's almost like a dust bag, and it has MCM on it. So in the box, it comes with this little thank you card. This is so cute. And then it has like MCM on the back. And it just has like your receipt, your return label thingy, and all that good stuff. And so this is the bag. Oh, it's so cute. It's so cute to me. My sisters absolutely hate it. They think it is so ugly, but I told them this is my money. I buy what I want, and this is the bag. I think it's so cute. So I wanted it because I wanted a black fanny pack type of thing, and I didn't know that it would be this big, but I was expecting it to be big, but this is huge. So as you can see, I didn't take anything off. It still has a tag on it. This one is, it just says do not remove. And then I call these things a carabiner, but it has like this thingy on it. And I'm gonna go ahead and take all of the wrappers off of it. They're like sealed on here tight, honey. And then this is the little belt thingy. It just says MCM, and that is just so cute. So in the front, it has this thing, I want to say, that you can hook stuff onto, and then in the back it has a zipper. So I need some scissors so that I can cut this. Look, I have scissors right here. Look at that, look at that. Didn't even have to get up. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and open this up. I'm also gonna take the tag off of it because we are not returning this baby. So inside is just a bunch of tissue paper, I guess, to keep the bag shape. We just gonna throw all of that out. And then, yeah, I don't care about that. So inside it's just this, it's just like a pocket right here. What is this? Oh, this is so cute. It comes with a 1-year limited warranty. Interesting. Keep that. And yeah, it's just all black in the inside, which I really like. And I like that this carabiner has this red thingy on it. And I'm going to be taking pictures in this today. So if you guys want to see that, I will probably insert them somewhere in this video. But in the back, like I said, there's also a pocket as well. And it just comes with one of these little things. We don't need it. But this is how this looks in the back. Overall, this bag, I mean, obviously it's MCM, so it's gonna be good quality, but I definitely recommend. I like it. I feel like it has a lot of space in it for a fanny pack in a way. Like, it's larger than most, and it's not something that you have to carry like an everyday bag, because I don't really like big purses and stuff like that. The only big bag that I have is Michael Kors, and I just use that for work. But other than that, my wallet is literally a business card holder. Like, I don't like bags, I don't like purses, but I can say that I'm getting more used to them. Like, as I'm getting more into fashion, you guys probably don't even care about this, but as I'm getting more into fashion, I'm starting to wear more bags, but just so that I can have something cute to wear and not have to carry it on my shoulder or whatever. This is perfect. I love it. It's black and white. I wanted black and white. I was thinking about getting the pink one, but I was like, just get something that, you know, matches everything pretty much. But in the back, it has this buckle thing as well that you can adjust. It's kind of hard. I had to put some muscle in it. But and then it just goes around your waist. But I think I'm gonna wear it like this, in a way, but I don't know if it's gonna be too big or I can just wear it on the side. We will see which option works best, honestly. But you can wear this bag in so many different ways. I definitely recommend. And let me know if you guys want to see another what's in my bag. Give this video a thumbs up if you do, and I will see you guys in my next video. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, if you want to see more of me. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.